She knows that I'm not fond of asking, and true or false it may be, but she still has to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking, and true or false it may be, she still has to get me. Woo! I might say it was your fault, 'cause I know you could have done more. You're so naive, you're so such an ugly way. Someone so beautiful. Well, every time you're on his side, it's such an ugly way. Someone so beautiful. And every time I look inside, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking, but true or false it may be, she still has to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking, true or false it may be, she still has to get me. So how could this be done by such a smiley sweetheart? You're so naive, you're so such an ugly thing. Someone so beautiful. When every time you hold his side, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking, and true or false it may be, she still has to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking, true or false it may be, she still has to get me. And just don't let me down. And just don't let me down, and hold on to your tight. Everybody clap! And just don't let me down, and hold on to your tight. And just don't let me down, and hold on to your tight. Just don't let me down.
Oh, well done, Natasha. God, you proper rocked it up there. That was very different from anything I've seen. Zoe, what do you think?
Same thing as Chris. It was nice to see you up. I feel like this is the most comfortable I've seen you on stage. This was definitely my favourite performance. Wasn't my favourite vocal. Nothing personal. It's just like I don't know. I feel like like the other songs you've been singing suit your type of voice and your tone better. But nevertheless, I think it was a really good song choice. It was a really good performance. And the sustained falsetto note in the middle was absolutely lush. I like that. You made it look like, even though you were down there, just for the performance, like I could tell like it was like quite effortless for you. It was brilliant. Well done. Thank you.
Zoe, Louise.
Yeah, Natasha, that's one of my favourite songs actually. Again, it is a clubby song, but I was worried you were going to keep it all on the one level, but you took it up at the end and you really showed your range. Those big belty notes, girl, you've got some real power behind you. Like, you've really got a natural ability to just get up there. So really explore that. You showed your range, fab power, you performed it lovely. It was lovely to see you getting really rocky vibes with it.
So up to my comfort zone, but yeah.
But you couldn't tell, you hid your nerves and that insecurity so well. You just had fun with it. And I didn't get, I mean, I've seen your videos online, but I don't know generally what you're comfortable doing. But to me, you felt comfortable doing that, which is good. So you hid those insecurities. You had lovely control on that top, like falsetto ooh in the middle. It was lovely, just stayed so clean all the way through. And yeah, you did fulfill the theme, which everyone has done tonight, but I'm here as a vocal coach, which is why I concentrate on the vocals, Joel. But
I'd like to have good vocals too, but it's not
they all
that's the
have.
point.
You've all fulfilled the theme tonight, by the way, just to go on to Joey's point. But yeah, you looked really comfortable, and you should be really.
That's what happened.
And you should be really proud of that performance, well done.
Thank you.
Natasha, yeah, again, like I said, it's a training process. It's a process it's not just about vocals, it's about presentation, it's about performance, it's about the whole package, Louise. And so, I will, no. Natasha, look, this is what, I wanted to try and get up tempo out to the way for my category, because this is going to be the same pattern when Zoe picks up tempo for a category, or Kelly. This is the pattern. You're not going to hear songs that are all about vocals. You're not going to hear it. It's up tempo, you know? So I never expect too much vocally, right? The fact is, right, it was a fab performance. Vocally, it weren't your best, right? It ain't your best. That doesn't mean it was bad, it was fab. But you know that because this is something that you wouldn't necessarily do. You've got this consistent, stunning pattern the last couple of weeks with what you're doing with your songs. And I don't want you to lose that. You won't lose it, because you know it's there. But you done what you had to do for this theme, and you've done it well. You let yourself go, you came out. There was actually a note in there where the belt on the top of your chest and you had that little vibrato going on. That was stunning. Absolutely loved that. I loved the sort of high note you did in the middle. So you did show off parts of your range that you haven't showed yet. So I applaud you on that. But performance-wise, and that energy just loosen up, it's going to benefit you next week onwards. And the same with everyone, because you've loosened up. That is why this theme is there. I don't want to see vocal powerhouses. I don't want to see it. I'll see that for the rest of the competition. Tonight is a bit of fun, all right? And I think, honestly, you smashed it. And I just want to quickly say to all my category, well done, guys, because this isn't an easy theme. It's a hard theme to do, especially when you're used to stripping it back, and I think you've all done well. So, round of applause, please, for Natasha and my category. Well done, Natasha, fantastic.